Welcome to this comprehensive guide on churn rate analysis. In this series, we will explore why customers leave your product, how to measure customer attrition, and most importantly, how to reduce it for a healthier, more sustainable business. Understanding and managing churn is one of the most critical aspects of building a successful product that retains its user base and drives long-term growth. Let's start with the basics. Churn rate is the percentage of customers who stop using your product or service during a specific time period. For example, if you started the month with 100 customers and lost 5 of them by the end of the month, your monthly churn rate would be 5%. The formula is straightforward. Divide the number of customers lost by the starting number of customers, then multiply by 100 to get the percentage. There are 3 important metrics to track. Monthly churn measures customer loss from month to month and typically ranges from 1 to 5% in healthy products. Annual churn is the cumulative loss over 12 months, usually between 10 and 50% depending on your industry. Cohort analysis groups users by their join date to see how different groups of customers behave over time. This helps identify patterns in when and why customers are most likely to leave. Customers leave for 4 main reasons. First, poor user experience such as confusing interfaces, slow performance, or bugs frustrates users and drives them away. Second, pricing issues make customers feel the product is too expensive or doesn't provide good value. Third, lack of support means when users need help, they can't get it, so they look elsewhere. Finally, better alternatives exist when competitors offer superior solutions that better meet customer needs. High churn has serious consequences for your business. First, you experience direct revenue loss as recurring revenue decreases and customer lifetime value plummets. Second, your growth stagnates because you must acquire new customers just to maintain your current size, making it impossible to grow. Third, your product reputation suffers as dissatisfied customers share negative experiences through word of mouth, reducing your brand credibility and making it harder to attract new users. To reduce churn, focus on 3 key areas. Improve your product by fixing bugs, enhancing performance, improving the user interface and experience, and adding features customers request. Increase engagement through effective onboarding, regular communication, and personalized support so customers feel valued. Finally, deliver clear value by optimizing your pricing, offering upgrades for different user needs, and clearly showing customers the return on investment they get from your product. 3 metrics help you measure and understand churn in depth. Retention rate is simply 100 minus your churn rate, showing what percentage of customers stay with you. Revenue churn measures the financial impact by calculating lost revenue divided by starting revenue, which is important because losing a high-value customer hurts more than losing a low-value one. Customer lifetime value predicts the total value you'll get from a customer relationship by multiplying average revenue per customer by how long they typically stay with you. To implement churn reduction, take 4 concrete steps. First, identify at-risk users by tracking their usage patterns, monitoring when engagement drops, and segmenting users by cohort to spot trends. Second, reach out proactively by sending targeted messages, offering help, and running win-back campaigns for users who are disengaging. Third, offer retention incentives like discounts, exclusive features, or loyalty programs to give customers reasons to stay. Fourth, continuously monitor your metrics. Test different strategies with A/B testing, and adjust your approach based on what the data tells you. Remember 4 essential lessons. First, measuring churn is critical for understanding your product's true health beyond vanity metrics. Second, identify root causes through careful data analysis and by listening to user feedback. Third, proactive strategies that prevent churn work much better than reactive fixes after users have already decided to leave. Fourth, continuous monitoring and iteration on your strategies drive sustainable long-term growth. By focusing on these principles, you build healthier products that retain customers and grow sustainably.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.